Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana and today we are having another Maths Olympiad question. If you see, they have shown us Google search engine logo. They say here is an image of a search engine logo, and then they say the circumference of inner blue circle is 30 centimeter, right? If you see, this is inner blue circle, right? Okay, the circumference of this circle is 30 centimeter. What is the meaning of circumference? Circumference means the length of boundary, right? So suppose I say the radius of this circle is r, right, small r, then the circumference will be equal to 2 pi r, right? And which is given 2 pi r is given 30 centimeter, right? This means r is equal to 30 by 2 pi, and which means r is equal to 15 by pi centimeter. So now we know the radius of inner circle, right? Then they say the circumference of outer circle is 54 centimeter. Outer circle means this circle, the bigger circle here. The circumference or the boundary length of this circle is what? That is 54 centimeter. So if I say this bigger radius is what? Capital R, right? So it means we are given 2 pi capital R is equal to 54 centimeter, right? Okay, then here as well I will figure out what is R. It is 54 by 2 pi, right? Which means for now I am not substituting pi, I am just writing it pi. 54 by 2 means it will become 27 by pi. Okay, now I will read the question further. They say what is the area of green, red and yellow regions combined? That means we need to find out this area. We need to find out this area, green, yellow and red regions combined, right? This area, that means we need to figure out the area of this ring actually. So if I find out the area of the bigger circle and I subtract the area of this smaller circle, I will get the area of ring, right? And they say ignore white area. This white area we can ignore. Okay, so area required area is what? It's pi r square. That means area of bigger circle minus pi r square. That means area of smaller circle, right? Now I will first figure out what is r here. R is equal to 15 by pi, and usually we know that pi is 3.14. Usually we take that only, but in this question it says pi is 3. Take pi as 3. If pi is 3, r will become 15 by 3, that is 5 centimeter. So small r is nothing but 5 centimeter, right? And the capital R is what? 27 by 3. So capital R is 9 centimeter. Now we know what is capital R, what is small r. So required area is this, pi r square minus pi r square. If I take pi common, I will get capital R square, that is 81. 9 square is 81 minus small r square, that is 25, right? So pi is 3 times, if I find out the difference, what is this? 11 minus 5 is 6, 7 minus 2 is 5. And if I multiply, what will I get? 168 centimeter square. Are you getting my point? So what is our answer? Our answer is D, 168 centimeter square. This is the area of this ring, right? So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.